Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Ethereum coming in at number 2. So for Ethereum, what's been happening? Yeah, last week on Twitter, I was saying that this potential bullish reversal was spotted and we had a target for Ethereum at 1588 on the 25th of October. That was exactly 1 week ago. So what happened? Woohoo! We've already hit targets at 1588. Woohoo! This was actually a inverse head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Boom! We're out. We are out. And Ethereum actually rose higher, right? If you looked at my video, I think, yeah, last week, we spotted the bullish potential, yeah, and so, you know, things materialized. Anyway, okay, let me just put this first. Anyway, this wasn't exactly what I would consider as a very easy to spot because the right shoulder was very tiny, but still a right shoulder nevertheless, right? If you zoom into the small time frames, you'll be able to see it. And when things break out, right, whales are usually very impatient. We will hit targets more likely than not in a very short period of time. But the thing is that for me to be going long when the whole crypto currency, you know, the whole cryptocurrency as a whole is actually dropping. There are again some outliers here and there, but Bitcoin is largely dropping. And to go long on select alts, you have to be very, I feel that there's added risk. So you need to know what you are doing. I'm not saying you can't go long, but I'm saying you have to be aware of what you're doing. And if anything, I feel like the potential for Ethereum, yeah, is towards the upside potentially, right? So at the moment, I feel like Ethereum could be forming something like a symmetrical triangle. Do you see it? Something like that. I don't really like it, but it's something like that. Why do I say I don't really like it? Yeah, because this is too slanted up, right? I would prefer it to be, yeah, something more, what do you call, proportional, right? The angle, I like it if the angle is, you know, kind of similar, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, if anything, this could be a symmetrical triangle completion, right? This whole thing could be an A, up, B, down, C, up again, D. Hopefully we consolidate here, we collect power, like, you know, kame, hame, ha, and then we go up to 4010, right? So maybe we might get a Kamehameha. We're not really sure. Again, we still have a target over here at 666. But the higher we go, and if we were to break the skinny pink line, right, on the daily, if we break the skinny pink line on the daily, then more likely than not, I don't think we're going to be hitting 666 anymore. Because this was a target that we got when Ethereum was actually falling, right? When things were really bearish. So we were actually expecting more downside to come for Ethereum, right? And of course, things change. Over here, yeah, we were saying on the 19th of September, right, things still, it was looking pretty bearish, and we actually had a target over here for 666, and we were expecting things to drop lower, right? We were expecting things to drop lower, but then things did not drop lower. What happened was, things started to consolidate, right? Consolidate a little bit over here, and after that, you know, things started curving. You see that? We dropped all the way down, and then we started consolidating, moving sideways, and then we go up. So the lesson here is when a bearish trend ends, this is not a big bearish trend, but this is a small, medium bearish trend. When it ends, it will go sideways for a while before it goes back up. So this is a very good example of trend changes. It goes sideways before it goes up, right? Down, side, up. You see that, boys? You see that, boys and girls? Up, side, down, right? Up, sideways, down, something like that, right? And yeah, this is in the small time frames. So yeah, anyway, we're still under the skinny pink line. The possibility still remains that Ethereum could still come all the way down. We form a bearish chart pattern over here, something like a descending triangle, and we could still head towards 666. However, if we consolidate over here for a potential wave E, right? A, B, C, D, E, then pump. We could be breaking up towards $4,000. So for now, yeah, it's a little bit confusing. As in, we have two targets for Ethereum. One is at 4,000, one is at 666. So we are kind of in a transition, I would say, to a potential bullish trend for Ethereum, and also potentially we could still continue towards the downside. We're not really out of the woods yet. We're still under the skinny pink line. So danger is still there, and we could still head lower. See that? So be very, very careful about going to trade too soon. If anything, for me to be going long towards 4,000, right, I need to see high quality chart patterns. I mean, if Bitcoin still remains bearish, and if a high quality bullish chart pattern appeared for Ethereum, I could be taking Ethereum towards the long side, right? Even though Bitcoin could be showing weakness, as traders, you have to trade what you see, because there are a lot of coins that has been rising and Bitcoin has been underperforming, right? Ethereum up 16%, BNB up 11%, Dogecoin up 92%, right? ADA is 10%, not too shabby. Solana 13%. Right, Polkadot 11, where's this? Sheep 17. So yeah, but anyway, the true winner is actually Dogecoin because of Elon Musk. But anyway, yeah. So for Ethereum, it's still unclear at this point of time. Both targets are still possible. So yeah, you gotta be very careful, because this could be a very strong dip. If it is a very weak sideways move, then yeah, more likely than not, so we could be heading higher. Ethereum against BTC, we're heading higher, right? Value number 1 feels like we're completing value number 2. This is something like a cup and handle, right? Cup, handle, up. You see that? Do you see that, boys and girls? The last time we got this was actually on BNB. We'll be doing it next, but BNB had something like a cup and handle, not exactly, but something like that, right? BNB, BTC, not exactly, right? It's a double mountain, and then we're out. And yeah, BNB still has a target over here, and we're still expecting BNB to hit its target. It's just that the USD pair is just not so good. So yeah, we'll take a quick look at it next. Alright, I guess that's it for my Ethereum technical analysis. Stay safe, and if you did take a trade for Ethereum towards the upside, hopefully you've already taken profits at 1588, because things can always change anytime. So hey, congrats to you if you took a trade. Right, I guess that's it for my Ethereum technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!